living in the midst of a pandemic. Citizens are looking up to their respective governments for direction, but there is one country that is not interpreting this virus as an existential threat for its people. It sees this virus as a tool to shift responsibility and to make money out of a crisis. I am talking about Pakistan, as I'm sure you can tell. At a time when world leaders are looking at ways to contain the spread of the coronavirus, Imran Khan wants Pakistan's debt written off, and his ploy is working. Would you believe it? The Pakistan government has managed to secure millions in relief aid from the World Bank. But nothing in Imran Khan's record can lead us to believe that he will use this money to protect his citizens. On WION Edit tonight, we are decoding Pakistan's diary on exploiting a crisis. Imran Khan could have done a lot. His government could have rescued stranded students from Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. They did not lift a finger. They could have taken aggressive measures to slow the outbreak. They didn't. The Pakistan Health Ministry could have tested and quarantined thousands of pilgrims arriving from Iran to Taftan in Balochistan. Remember, Iran is one of the hotspots. So many pilgrims came, they weren't tested. But Imran Khan did none of these things. Instead, he used the virus as an excuse to tell the world how ill-equipped his country is and to beg the world for more money. This, even as he continues to fund ventures for self-promotion, he can find money for that. His government is spending 42 million Pakistani rupees on defending itself on the internet, but they have no money to fight the coronavirus that is killing people. Now, Pakistan has offered help. Was offered help, in fact. India reached out to Pakistan. We've reported it in the past. India asked Pakistan to be part of the SAARC video conference on COVID-19 earlier this week. The government of India wanted to put issues on the back burner and help its neighbors in times of crisis. But Pakistan does not understand such gestures. It wasted the chance. This was a humanitarian platform. Pakistan chose to politicize it. It decided to push the Kashmir agenda, and that too on the shoulders of a scam-accused health advisor. This man, Zafar Mirza, he is leading the country's coronavirus battle. How, you may ask? By smuggling masks out of Pakistan. The country's federal investigation agency has named Zafar Mirza in its charge sheet. 20 million masks were smuggled out of Pakistan. Thanks to him, right now, a box of ordinary surgical masks is being sold for more than 4,000 Pakistani rupees. That's how they're trying to contain the crisis. This crisis, like many in Pakistan, is of its own making. Its citizens are panicking at supermarkets and stores to find masks. The number of coronavirus cases has risen to 335 in Pakistan. But confronted with the reality, Imran Khan is trying to evade all blame. He is using the only political trick that he knows. Tell the world how powerless he is and how vulnerable his country is. The Pakistani Prime Minister wanted a loan waiver, and he's got it. He's now got $588 million for Pakistan's so-called emergency response to COVID-19. The Asian Development Bank and the World Bank have committed to providing this money to his government. Clearly, they do not learn from the past. Once again, the fact that Pakistan has constantly used many such financial doles to fund terror has been conveniently ignored. Ever since his election, Mr. Imran Khan has managed to winkle out bail packages from world leaders, and at the same time, a conducive environment for terror has flourished in Pakistan under his watch. Even this year, the country was on the FATF grey list for inaction on state-sponsored terror. The coronavirus may be a pandemic for the world. For Pakistan, it's an opportunity to exploit the chaos and make some money.